Three different dead trees.
You got
it now?
Yeah, I'm looking at that. It's a bit lower.
It'll sit there for about 5 minutes until it moves.
The barn owl's back out again now.
Easy. Then have a look through there.
Makes a change.
Sorry.
Sorry.
There. If you have a look now, it looks like it's lying along the branch.
Oh yes, yes, I can see it, yes.
4. Oh, good. Okay. I only know, yeah, because it was exactly there this morning. When I heard it calling just now, I'll come back to the same place that it was this morning.
Yeah.
Because it does a round.
Yes, please.
It's not as clear as it was this morning. Right, there's so much difference as to the clarity of seeing something or not.
It's not so far. It was higher up.
It was higher up last, yeah.
It's lower down.
Yeah, it's lying down. Yeah. There's the barn owl. Have you seen the barn owl? Flying in the background. This very white bird. It's just got to move. Yeah. Rather than just sort of. And if they move, sometimes they just move down below eye level along the rings, and you just won't see them. But we have seen a chetters sitting around. That's probably one of the best days we've had.
That is an owl, yeah.
I beg your pardon, I think that was a magpie.
It might be because it's moved from where it was, John, just a few minutes ago.
There it is, it's calling now.